Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fake Stock Trader here on YouTube. August 4th, we're breaking down CKB at a super high level today, so be sure not to miss out. So welcome back, folks. This is going to get crazy for CKB in the next week. I can guarantee you that much. We are going to see some dramatic movement here, in my own opinion. Full disclosure, I did pick up 100,000 worth of CKB this morning, and here's why. And I'm not advocating for people to go out and spend money and take a position, sell a position. You need to do your own research, but this is what I'm doing. And this penny line here has really been kind of CKB's sweet spot when it comes to resistance, when it comes to support. This penny line really has been a strong psychological level for investors of CKB. Now let's get into this on a super high level. RSI is floating at about 50, folks. We got the stochastics up a little bit higher than I would like them, but I'll take it as long as the RSI is not diving into the tank. This might come down a little bit. But what we're looking at here is we are looking at the 50 moving average. And let's just go ahead and kind of get rid of some of this Ichimoku cloud to get rid of some of the distraction here. I'm hoping what we see is something like this. I'm hoping that we see price action, which is getting ready to jump above this 50 moving average, or at least test it. If this breaks down, folks, CKB is heading downwards, but this is going to be a really opportune time, just like it was right here, for an opportunity to jump above this 50 moving average. And with this strong support trend line here at the penny level, I really do think the chances are in the bull's favor to hop over this 50 moving average. So if we see this 50 moving average come down, and maybe it will bounce off this penny line, we don't know. We can probably expect CKB to maybe do some Elliott wave theory or something like that to get it up and around this 200 moving average, where we will need to retest. I'm hoping that by August 14th we will see a retest of the 200 moving average. It may or may not happen. The correct answer is nobody knows. But if it does, I'm going to simulate this 200 moving average here. And if we get above this 200 moving average and bring this 50 moving average up, folks, we're in for a golden cross on the daily. This is the golden cross here, and we can see what happens when things golden cross. So that is great to see this opportunity arising. But as we all know, everything follows Bitcoin, and I freaking hate that so much. But we can see on this chart that I drew back on July 24th, let's just pretend that we are right here. None of these candles are here. None of these drawings are here. I said we will probably see Bitcoin jump into an ascending triangle similar to this, and we can definitely see price action is doing just that, especially if we go to like a 2 or 3 day chart. We are wicking above it, but we are not holding above it, and I'm expecting Bitcoin maybe to travel downward and kind of keep tangling with this price action, because at the end of the day, we're on top of the cloud for the daily chart when it comes to Bitcoin. And for those of you that are not familiar with the cloud, it's Ichimoku cloud trading. So Google it, familiarize yourself with it. I'd use it from time to time. But this is an important point in time. I do think that this will come down and test this top of the cloud to make sure things are in check. And I do think that if we fall below this cloud again, it is over for Bitcoin. Like, it is over. So we have this going on right now. Weekly chart for Bitcoin. Things are looking good. Like I've said before in previous videos, we need to bounce on this cloud upwards to really gain any significant traction in this market, like at all. So if we end up traveling into the cloud, we're going to see some wicked things happen. And I do think we will see 32,000 really quick if that happens. But we're sitting good right now. Expect Bitcoin to fluctuate, in my opinion, from 35,000 to 40,000, maybe 42,000 over the next few days. We could be seeing this ascending triangle kind of sitting like this. We could be seeing something like this as well. So we just have to play the waiting game. Like I said, August 14th, I'm thinking is going to be an important date for the market. Let's just go ahead and move these goalposts here. And I think I'm going to run a little time sequence from this swing high to this swing low. August 10th to August 14th, I will say that I think if we see price action drift downwards, this might signal a reversal here. It would make sense to me. Or else, if we see price action kind of do one of these, we may see this ascending triangle in this respect here. So that's a bunch of squiggly lines there, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of CKB and Bitcoin TA. Like I said, full disclosure, I ended up sacking a bag of 100,000 CKB today. Long-term holding for me, though. I'm not selling off quick. If CKB went up to like 25 cents, you bet your butt I would be probably considering selling a little bit of my position, but this is a long-term project for me. I hope you guys all had a wonderful day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this TA. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.